Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here with your 9th grade Language Arts Week 4 agenda. I hope you are all doing well and staying happy and healthy. As per usual, we watch this video to go over the different assignments that we have for the week. However, this will be slightly different due to some outside elements that are happening this week. So with that in mind, as per usual though, we are going to go over the assignments for the week and talk about the expectations as in step 1, and in step 2 we're going to talk about completing all activities for the week in accordance with the assigned due dates in Schoology and the expectations for each of the assignments. We have gone over the grading policy before, but I will allow this for a moment so that way you can pause the video if you need to read over it for your own needs. Alright, activity 1. We're going to be doing a plot diagram and writing activity for the landlady to finish out our reading. This means that there is still a PDF copy available of the landlady in the folder for activity 1. There's also a plot diagram of the landlady and a writing prompt related to the landlady in that folder. Alrighty, so one of the things that we are doing this week is CDT testing. CDT testing happens for 9th, 10th, and 11th grade students and will be over Zoom or in person this year. So with all that in mind, once you have completed your CDT test, you will be doing silent reading for 30 minutes. You will be checking your grades and missed assignments and completing anything that you have not submitted. You will be reviewing conflict notes, using quizzes, and listening to a short ed puzzle about Edgar Allan Poe. For our asynchronous Wednesdays, we are doing creative writing. I give you guys 4 different writing prompts. You must complete one with a minimum of 10 sentences. You are free to write more if you so choose. The 4 different writing prompts for this week's Wednesday is to write a story from the different perspectives of 2 people meeting for a blind date. Write a story involving a conversation that's packed with subtext. The characters aren't quite saying what they mean. Write a story about an old family secret surfacing generations later. Or write a story about a TV show called Second Chances. I did include a link to a weekly writing competition website, which you are free to use and then share it with me via the Google Doc. However, you do not have to do this. This is just a choice in case I have several students that thoroughly enjoy writing, and this gives them that opportunity to get their writing out to the world. Activity 3, we are going to continue on with The Cask of Amontillado is going to be our new story. So we have ed puzzle clips for part 1 and 2 and a PDF of The Cask of Amontillado. You must complete all the questions in the ed puzzle for it to submit itself, so please make sure you are letting the video play to the end so that way you get your credit. Activity 4 is audio short story writing prompt and discussion. We are going to have a discussion and writing prompt for The Cask of Amontillado that is going to pertain to the story. So this is the writing prompt, as you can see here. It probably won't make a lot of sense until you've read the story, but just in case you're wondering what is ahead. Next we have silent reading. Students read for 150 minutes throughout the week, and you can choose from several different selections for your silent reading. Our discussion for silent reading this week is going to be how do the characters' relationships with one another create emotions of bias or sympathy for you as a reader. And then you will comment on one other student's discussion post about what they are currently reading. Alrighty guys, and that is all of our activities for week 4. I will make sure to update you and keep you informed about CDT testing and make sure that you are fully prepared for any things that will be coming your way this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I am available till 3 p.m. every day. So if you email me late in the evening, please expect that it might take me a little bit longer to get back to you, probably the next morning. I hope that you all have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see you. Bye.